Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 12 natural ways to reply when someone says thank you. Number 1, you're welcome. It means a polite, standard reply. Example, thanks for your help. You're welcome. Number 2, no problem. It means it was easy to help. No trouble at all. Example, thanks for fixing my phone. No problem. Number 3, my pleasure. It means I was happy to do it. Example, thank you for your support. My pleasure. Number 4, anytime. It means I'm happy to help whenever you need. Example, thanks for being there. Anytime. Number 5, don't mention it. It means no need to thank me. Example, thanks for the ride. Don't mention it. Number 6, happy to help. It means I'm glad I could assist you. Example, thanks for explaining that. Happy to help. Number 7, it was nothing. It means it wasn't a big deal. Example, thanks for your help today. It was nothing. Number 8, glad I could help. It means I'm pleased I was useful. Example, thanks for your advice. Glad I could help. Number 9, of course. It means it was expected or natural to help. Example, thanks for waiting. Of course. Number 10, not at all. It means you don't need to thank me. Example, thank you for your time. Not at all. Number 11, no worries. It means everything is fine, don't worry about it. Example, sorry and thanks for your help. No worries. Number 12, sure thing. It means I'm happy to do it. Example, thanks for helping me out. Sure thing. Thanks for learning with me today. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Which reply do you use most often? I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.